Yeah.
The woman is Cindy Demers, the wife of one of the victims. According to neighbors, the incident began when an unidentified young man asked her husband for some help with his motorcycle. Then drove his ATV to the wood line, where his motorcycle was. The neighbors were next aware of Ted running back toward his house, screaming and being pursued by a mysterious stranger who was wielding a long metal weapon. State troopers locate a sword hangs in the woods at the end of the road. Cindy remains distraught.
You will believe the thing for
You're taking good care of him, okay?
Hey, you sleeping real hard.